Oh, I am from Mexico. You?
And from Bangladesh.
Bangladesh?
Yeah, you know Bangladesh?
Mm, I don't know Bangladesh, but I hear about Bangladesh.
You know
Your
India?
native language is Bengali.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. I only only I only know this about Bangladesh,
Okay.
about your native language. I
Okay.
don't know nothing of
Okay.
Bangladesh.
Bangladesh
Yeah.
is Indian near country.
Oh, it is near to India.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, okay. Uh, what time is it in Bangladesh now?
Uh, 10:53 a.m.
Oh, 10:53 a.m.
Yeah.
In Mexico, it's 11:54 p.m.
Wow.
Have 11 hours of difference.
Okay.
Yeah.
You are a student?
No, I am not a student. I am engineer.
Wow,
I
good.
finished my university. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Mhm. You are. What is your religion? You are Muslim.
Yeah, I am Muslim. You?
Oh, you are Muslim. In your country, Muslim is the most popular religion. Sure,
Yeah.
it's correct.
95% Muslim in Bangladesh.
Oh, 90 percentage
Yeah.
of people are Muslim.
Yes.
Oh, and you are Muslim too.
Yeah.
Oh, in the Muslim have a period of time with with I don't know, I don't remember Ramadan.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ramadan is going 1
Oh,
month. Yes.
now is Ramadan.
No, no. Uh, Ramadan is 1 month previous.
1 month per year. It's a
Previous.
period of
Yeah, yeah,
Ramadan.
yeah.
And what is the month of Ramadan?
Ramadan is Muslim Ummah is very best month of Muslim.
Is the best
Yeah.
month of month. Yeah, yeah, I know it's the best month. But when is the Ramadan? On
Ramadan is
January,
yeah,
February?
20 uh, 13 hours fasting.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
When 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 is the period of Ramadan? You need fasting
Yes.
without food, only only drink.
No, no, no. No
No,
drink, no eat. Only fasting in
no
13
drink and
hours.
no eat
Yeah,
for
yeah.
30 hours. For 30 hours.
Yes.
Oh, 30 hours. 2 days.
No, 1 month.
Yeah, one month is Ramadan, but
Yes.
you need make fasting for 30 hours
Uh,
or 13
no,
hours.
no. 13 hours.
13
Uh,
hours in fasting
yes, yes.
without food and without drinks.
Yeah. No, no drink, no eat. Only
Oh.
fasting.
And why no drinks and why no food?
Is this
Why? What is the
Muslim?
reason?
Yes, this reason is Muslim uh, religion is very mm, rules.
Oh yeah, have a rules in the
Yeah, yeah,
religion.
yeah.
You can in your religion you can drink alcohol or smoke.
No, no, no,
No.
no,
Oh, you can drink alcohol and you can smoke.
no, bro.
Oh, okay, okay. It's only a question.
Yeah.
Yeah, I am a Catholic. Do you know Catholic religion?
Oh, what's your
Like
name, bro?
Catholic, like
Catholic,
Christian. Yeah, Catholic.
Christian,
No, no, no. I am not Christian. I am Catholic. It's
Catholic.
it's it's similar to Christian religion, but in
Oh,
the Christian religion have more rules.
wow. Okay, nice
Yeah,
to
yeah.
meet you,
In
Catholic.
in the Christian religion have more rules. Christians don't drink uh don't can drink alcohol and don't smoke, and I don't know what is the more rules for Christians, but Catholic don't have rules. You can drink alcohol and smoke and whatever.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
You
You
are
you 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 can speak Spanish or not?
no,
Did you?
bro. I am not speak Spanish. Only Bengali and English. English speaking is a very beginner and improve my English speak. Join this platform.
Yeah, yeah. Your pronunciation is very well.
Yeah. Thank
Yeah,
you.
yeah, yeah, yeah. If you see a movie, you can see all the movie and you understand all the movie in English without subtitles.
No, bro. I am no
No.
understand. No.
Oh, but you understand 50 percentage or not?
Yeah, 50% understand.
Okay, okay.
You anytime watch Bengali movie?
No, I don't see movies on Bengali language.
Wow.
You give me one name of the movie on Bengali for
Yeah.
search on Google and see later.
Yeah, yeah.
Can you give me the name of Bengali
Okay, go.
movie?
Okay.
One
কাজ করছে
question.
এদিকে আসেন।
Uh, eh,
হ্যাঁ,
the
bro, tell me.
girls in your country put in the face, in the middle of eyes, upper the eyes.
Yeah.
The girls put a piece of like a diamond. Yes or not?
Bro, can you give me only 2 minutes? Okay, bro.
Okay.